Facebook and YouTube, welcome to Green Carpet Cleaning Portland. It's your host, Jeffrey with Howells Carpet Cleaning, and we're going to be cleaning up a little bit of an issue with some vomit that we had earlier. The trunks obviously have been picked up because it's pretty clean here, but this is what happens when you drink too much alcohol and you can't handle it. You pretty much upchuck it all over the place. So what we're going to be using is Peroxide by Backaway. And it's very similar to the Blast formula, if any of you guys who are familiar with that stuff. It's very biodegradable, it's very green and clean and eco-friendly, but again it has peroxide in it, so it does neutralize and sanitize and deodorize and all that stuff. So we're going to put that down pretty heavily in this spot, and then we are going to agitate using this brush. And because it does sanitize and everything, we'll probably spray a little bit more of the solution on when we're done, just to sanitize the brush down good and rinse it off with the water, and it should be perfectly clean. So we're going to treat the area, groom it in, and then do some hot water extraction and extract it back out, and it'll be good as new.